We're here at Mungos Grill, where you make your own stuff, and it's cool. It's cool. I'm gonna show you in a second. It's cool.
It's pretty cool.
This place is really cool. That one's mine. Oh, it's delicious. Okay. So like I said before, we're at Mungos Grill. I got my food. He's still waiting for his, but this looks really, really good. Really, really, really good. So I'm gonna show you in a second.
I got all the meat with barbecue sauce and a little bit of hot sauce and steamed noodles. Give you a rating once I'm done eating it, which won't take long. What do you think of the meal so far, Sean?
Pretty good.
Pretty good?
You know, pretty good, yeah.
Pretty good? Decent helping?
Decent. A little bit too much, but you know,
Yeah.
it's always good.
I'm just basically started on mine. I think I'll finish it though. I'm pretty hungry.
I would say.
It's good though. I put some hot sauce on it and some barbecue, and it tastes pretty good. A bunch of seasoning in there. So yeah, I'll give you my review at the end.
All right, we just got back in the car from Mungos Grill in Winnipeg, Manitoba, Canada, and I thought it was very good. I rather enjoyed my meal. What do you think, Sean?
Yes, very good.
Very good. I give that place an 8.4251 out of 9. Yeah. See you next time. I'm gonna be doing more of these now. I had a busy couple months, that's why there hasn't been any. So here you go. This is the big start, the big cheese, the big dirty, the big one. Yeah. All right. See you next time.